Hi. Ayaw niya yung ganyan shot. Hindi niya gusto yung shot na ganyan. Kasi aray ko. Hi guys, good morning. Okay, we're gonna put dream cake. This is we have a shoot. Hi Kuya Jerry, I miss you so much. Okay, those are our products that we are shooting today. I love you, Kuya. Okay, we're gonna put, hi Christmas, we're gonna put dream cake now. Hi Miss A, I miss you. Hi Sam, you are here. Hi Beng, you're here. Miss Vina, I miss you. Okay, I'm just gonna put dream cake on my face. Hi Danex, Diwa Kalatagan, guys. Hi Ate Kathy. I miss you too, Sam. Hi Sir Jomar, nakatulog ka na po ba? Hi baby Nikki ko, are you in Iloilo at the moment? Okay, hi Kill, Ageless Beauty. Ako po ba or si Anton? Hi Naides, uy mag-hi kayo sa Naides ka.
Naides!
Naides, I miss you so much.
What's the tea? Charot.
Bang, you have to try Dream Cake. It's so good on the skin. We're doing our soap shoot today. So, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna put... Yes, Anton, nag-lunch ka na daw. Sabi ni Danix. Yes, Ate Kath, we were at... Hi po, Miss Bajing. I went to the farm with the family. Hi, Derek Lars. Hala, nanonood siya. Sa Iloilo. I don't know yet. I'll let you know. But we shall do business together. I was talking to Georgie. Okay. What's inside the lotion? Okay. There. This is good because this is the first essence. So, yeah. Hi, Jello. I love you too. Okay, so let's put now the icing. This is supposed to make your skin go bright. So let's just put a little bit. Parang sinasaktan ako ni Anton, guys. Sarap. Okay, yan, nag-brighten. Hi, Joella. PH. Yes, you can put ice, but if you don't have ice, it's fine. You can just put this directly. This one, the glaze first before the icing. Yeah. Okay, there you go. There. No age limit for the products. Where to get? Bang, you can buy it from my TikTok shop. So you just search my TikTok or Dream Cake. Thank you, Nikki Gracie. Do you love it, Joella? It's nice. So I do this one first, glaze first, and then the icing. But we're coming out with the soap. The soap is super good. It has firming.
Yes.
So makita mo yung mga jawline mo na dating hindi mo masyadong makikita kasi nagpa-firm up siya. Okay. My secret for not aging is Dream Cake products there. These are both Korean formulated and Korean manufactured. Both FDA and KFDA approved. So, okay, guys, I will... hiyang ka? That's good. Hi, Kuya Marco. Makiraan anytime. Yes, hindi ako masyadong nag-live, guys. Medyo busy tayo. So, okay. I will see you again later. Okay, bye. Bye now on my TikTok. Bye.